Hi guys, welcome back with me again and the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add phones into CapCut PC. So in here, you first just need to find the phone that you want to add. You can use any phone downloader that you can find. So I'm using thephone.com, and in here, let's say I am going to use or download this coffee soda to add into the CapCut. So just hit on download first, and after you download, you can just open it. You can see that the file is on zip, so you need to extract it. Let's click on open. Here I've already extract the phone. You can see coffee soda, and what you need to do is open the phone and then tap on install. And after it has been installed, you can just open the CapCut PC. Here I'm going to open CapCut. So for example, I'm going to use this projects right here. Okay, so this is the text that I want to change the phone with. So what you need to do is to find the phone. You can just click on the text in here, enter the phone box in here, and then just find the phone that you've downloaded before. Coffee soda, the one that I added installed before. You can see if you already installed the phone, it will automatically detect it on CapCut as the system phone, so you can just use it just like this. So that's how you can add phones into CapCut PC. Pretty easy, right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye!